And we've been a little busy with things, but we just wanted to show you guys some beautiful compost, and our cat's over there meowing. Anyway, this is some compost that we've been turning for about 2 or 3 months, maybe 4 months, I don't know. And we haven't turned it in a couple of weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks, and it's now turned into some beautiful soil. I mean, if you look at this stuff, it's nice and crumbly, but it holds its shape, and then you can just crumble it back together. That's one of the keys that you're looking for in good soil. And there's still some woody stuff. This might be a sunflower stalk from last year, but we can either screen it or we can use it as is. It's pretty amazing. Another thing I wanted to show you guys is, if I dig a little bit deeper, we got a pretty good rain yesterday, and this stuff in the middle is retaining its moisture really well. I mean, you can see it's still nice and wet, and you can see the little droplets between my fingers. I don't know if you heard the little squish either, but that's pretty astounding. Organic matter can retain up to 4 times its weight in water, I think. But it also drains incredibly well, and that's the magic of organic matter. That's why you want soils high in organic matter. Here we have a clay field, so we have raised beds that are high in organic matter, and that's this is the key stuff that we want to add to it. So we're gonna have some really happy plants in the near future, because this is just about ready to use, and I just want to. I wish you could just smell it. I just want to play with it. So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.